Hello everyone. So I am back after 3 days. Yes, this is the very first time where I couldn't record and upload videos from last 3 days. Yeah, because I had to attend my exams and there are lots of works that I have to finish in last 3 days. So that's why I was feeling a bit nervous that I couldn't record or something like that. But then I realized that um, taking a break doesn't always mean you are giving up. Simply, it means that your life is asking you to focus on some other responsibilities. So I was just bitchy with that, okay? So currently my exams are going on, so I have to focus on my exams and study is my first priority right now. But it doesn't mean I didn't practice for speaking English in last 3 days. Yeah, I was speaking uh, and I was doing all those um, tips methods that I usually follow for my English speaking skill, but I genuinely don't have enough time to record. But today I am again recording myself, and this is the day 8 of my 30-day English speaking series. So, and you know what? In these last 3 days, I found something very important for my English speaking skill. Like after um, starting a YouTube channel where I was chasing for subscribers or views. But from all these things, I found something very important that I was finding from last 1.5 year. So I'll say that in my next video. But today, again, I am back, and from today, I'll try my best to record every day. So in today's video, I just want to say that it doesn't mean how many days I miss. It means whether I come back or not. So that's it for today, and let's meet into the another video.